Hello everybody, it's me, Ace Pilot 109 or Captain John here, and today I'm going to be flying by a brand new airplane. It's in the back of the truck here, the XF-133. I'll give you a better look here in a second, but that's what we're going to be flying. It's a brand new aircraft. It's a yank and bank, has ailerons and an elevator, and that's it. Well, and the motor obviously, and hopefully she flies pretty quick. She was built for speed, but she's also really light, so hopefully it might be able to do some high alpha type stuff. The wingspan is pretty short, but we'll figure out how this bad boy flies once we're flying it. So let's get straight to that. Oh, it's very unstable. Oh my God. Very unstable here. Gonna try and land immediately. Oh God, no. Don't run me over, bud. All right, it just wanted to roll over. All right, that's better. It really wants to roll on its own. I do think it needs a rudder though. It feels all right, just really strange flying it. It could be that forward slipped wing. It feels very strange when I try to get it nice and slow. But it is flying. It does fly fast. And it's very light, so I wasn't predicting it to fly this fast. Looks like a jet. Need some up trim. Yeah, this thing is way out of trim. Usually, they ain't this bad. That's full throttle. It still feels like the stunt plane flew better than this. I don't think it flew as fast. Those full wing ailerons probably help significantly because I'm barely using the left and right inputs on my stick to turn. All right, next pass, we're coming in for a landing here. I am gonna put a rudder on this aircraft and move that battery forward. Oof. Really bad landing there. Hey everybody, so that aircraft flew pretty gosh darn good. After tuning it to where the ailerons had a little less input, the plane flew a lot better and was definitely more controllable and more stable. I am going to probably end up putting a rudder on it and moving that battery further forward just to make sure the weight is correct. Excuse me. But hopefully the aircraft will end up flying a lot better and you'll see another video. Maybe I'll paint it, I don't know. But thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you did, and please share. And more aviation and whatever other projects coming very soon. Thanks everyone.